Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to Twitter Blue. Okay, so first thing first, you want to log into your Twitter. All right. So once you log into your Twitter on the home page, so what you want to do is click on Twitter Blue. All right. Now you can see subscribe $8 a month. Then you click on subscribe. All right. So on this page, I'm gonna input my info. All right, you are all set. So once you've done that, you just click on continue. But if you can't find Twitter Blue right here, you want to click on subscribe. Okay, subscribe, and as you can see, you can subscribe and pay. So you can see the options for premium, plus, basics. So if you can't find subscribe to premium on your main page, all you want to do is just go to more, settings and privacy. All right, then you come over here to premium. Okay, click on premium and then you subscribe and pay. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. So if you get something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.